In a People House by Theo Lessig. Illustrated by Roy McKee. "Come inside, Mr. Bird," said the mouse. "I'll show you what there is in a people house." A people house has things like chairs, things like roller skates and stairs. Banana, bathtub, bottles, brooms. That's what you find in people's rooms. Scissors, needle, buttons, thread, cup and saucer, pillow, bed. These are donuts. Here's a door. Come along, I'll show you more. Here's a ceiling. Here's a floor. Piano, peanuts, popcorn, pails, pencil, paper, hammer, nails. Salt and pepper, goldfish, key, table, telephone, TV. Come on, there's more to see. You'll see a kitchen sink in a people house, a shoe, and a sock, and a clock, said the mouse. Bread and butter, window, wall, toothbrush, hairbrush, big blue ball. Baked beans, bureau drawer, and books, lights and lamps, and hats and hooks. Mirror, marbles, shirt, and string, knife, fork, spoon, and bells to ring. Doll and dishes, teapot, trash. Look out below! I'm going to crash! And another thing, it's time you knew, a people house has people too. And now, Mr. Bird, you know, said the mouse, you know what there is in a people house. In a People House by Theo Lessig, illustrated by Roy McKee.